What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Long time no see. So I've been gone for a good minute. I told you guys I was going to come back, but I just got home on the 16th and it is now the 21st. So I've tried to settle in and unpack, and my mom's birthday was yesterday, so we were celebrating. And yeah, it's just been busy. I haven't had time to record until now, but I'm here and it's summertime, so that means I will be more consistent and my schedule won't be as busy. So yeah. But today I'm bringing to you guys this makeup look. I don't know what to call it. It's like yellow, orange, and red. Kind of want to call it like a sunset, but I already have a video that's like sunset themed, so I think I might just call it like bright summer look or something. I don't know. But if you guys would like to see how I achieved this look, just keep on watching. Okay, so I already did this eye off camera, so for this eye I'm going to start off with using the Essence I Heart Color Intensifying Eyeshadow Base. And I'm just going to blend that in using my finger like always. And I like to pat it, not rub it, because I feel like it gives me a better base, like it's whiter if I pat it. Now I'm going in with the Morphe 35O palette, and I'm just going to take this color as a transition shade with the BH Cosmetics number 12 blending brush. This is my favorite blending brush ever. It's super fluffy. So I'm just going to put that all in the crease. Well, not really the crease. It's kind of above the crease. Kind of like below the brow bone type of thing. Make sure when you're holding the brush, you hold it at the end so that it's not like super harsh. And you want to do multiple layers of this just so you get like the most intense color payoff. So I won't include all that in the video because this video will literally be like an hour long. But when you want like really bright shadows like this, you want to pack it on. And I always use this shade as a transition just because I feel like it goes really well with like every look I want to do. Stacy, I'm making a video, bitch. So now I'm going to go back into the Morphe 35O and I'm going to take the color right next to it. It's just this red shade. And I'm going to put this in the crease, so like right below the transition color. Okay, so now I want to intensify like this red in my crease a little bit. So I'm going to take the BH Cosmetics Take Me to Brazil palette. This and the Morphe 35O have been my favorite palettes for like a good few months now, but that's besides the point. So I'm going to take this color, this red, and I'm going to put that right on top of where I just put the other red, just to intensify it a little more. And this is just the Wet n Wild like blending brush. I don't know what collection this is from, but it's pink and white. Now I'm going to change my brush. I'm going to use the e.l.f. blending brush. And this one is like kind of flat. And then has like a dome top. I don't know if you can see that, but it's like flat on the sides. So I'm going to take that red again, put it on the tip of the brush, and just focus that into the crease. Okay, so now I'm just going to go in with a concealer brush and the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm just going to do like a half cut crease. Going to put that on the belly of the brush. And I like to do my cut creases looking straight forward at the mirror. My mirror's down here. Just because I have this crease clearly, so I want to put the concealer like above the crease. I don't know why it took me so long to say that. I really just struggled. And I like to do a little bit of concealer at a time, only because I get messy if I don't. So I put like one layer at a time. Not layer, but like one little bit at a time. So the crease is pretty much cut. I'm just going to put one more layer of concealer on just so it's even, because I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's like kind of splotchy. Okay, so the hard part is done. Now, what we're going to do is go back in with the last two reds that we used from the BH Cosmetics and the Morphe 35O. We're just going to go back in and put it in the outer V. Right there. Okay, now that I'm happy with the way the red looks, I'm going to go in with this orange from the BH Cosmetics palette. I'm going to put that in like the center of my lid. I feel like I'm making a lot of noise in the background, but it's okay. Just going to put that in the center. Okay, so I told you guys I need to pack on the orange, so I'm going to use this e.l.f. Professional eyeshadow brush. And instead of using the orange eyeshadow from the BH Cosmetics palette, I'm going to use this orange from the Morphe 35O. And I'm just going to pack that onto the center. Just because I feel like it's more intense. I feel like that other orange is more of like a yellow-ish orange. Okay, that's good. You see, I like barely put anything on there, and it's so pigmented. I'm going to go back with the Wet n Wild blending brush. I'm just going to make sure the edges aren't harsh, because this eyeshadow is super pigmented. Like, you have to have a light hand with that one. So after we do that, I'm going to take the BH Cosmetics palette again, and I'm going to take this yellow. And I'm just going to pack that in the inner V, I guess you could say. It's not really inner corner. So the inner V, I'm just going to pack that in there. You want to make sure you pack that all the way up to the line. Don't go past the line. And then I'm going to take the blending brush again with a little bit of orange and just blend those two together. And now I'm just going to pop on some eyelashes. I'm going to do that off camera because it takes me a little while to do that. But now that they're on, I'm going to put some mascara on. And this is my go-to, the L'Oreal Voluminous False Fiber Lashes. I'm just going to use this to blend my lashes with falsies. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I have Fenty Gloss Bomb on my lips. Laura Geller Gilded Honey highlighter on, but you can barely see it. I only put a little bit. And yeah, I'm living for this look. I haven't done a makeup tutorial in a really long time, and I think I have decided that my channel is going to be mostly makeup tutorials. Just eye makeup though, because it could get really repetitive with me like doing foundation and concealer. I just feel like it's really repetitive and boring. I mean, if you think otherwise, comment down below and let me know, but I just don't like seeing tutorials that are so repetitive. So I think I'm just going to keep it to eye looks and then maybe vlogs and stuff, because I like to vlog. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below any video suggestions, or if you just want to comment and tell me that my makeup looks pretty. Compliments are welcome too. But yeah, so like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell button so you're notified every single time I upload a video. And as you guys can tell, I'm home now, so I will be uploading a lot this summer. Whew. I think that's all I have to say. So yeah, bye guys.